Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Dribbble, how to create a website for virtual reality real estate tours, business easy and quick. So first type Dribbble on the search. So as we know, Dribbble website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. Also, we know that you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, let's sign in, create new business. Now enter your business name, type any business name you want here, and select your industry, virtual reality, real estate tours. Now enter your location and choose your website language. Wait a few seconds to generate this website. First, let's go to the first section on the website, the header. You can edit it from here. You can change your site name here if you want. You can turn this on and upload a file. Also here, if you want to change the label or if you want to add external link, you can turn this on and open link in a new page. Here, if you want to edit your social links, also you can add a channel, and here just select the type of the social link and here put the link. If you want to edit the style of the section, the positioning or the social icon, the size, the shape, if you want to turn this on, the photo width and the sticky, the spacing if you want to edit the spacing, the top, the bottom, or the background if you want to edit the color of the background. So let's save this. If you want to add a section, just click here and select any section here you want, and that's it. Let's move on to the next section, the banner. You can edit it from here. You can change the heading. Also here, if you want to generate another heading, you can generate the subtext if you want to change it. You can change the label here if you want to change it, if you want to add a link. Also here you can turn this on, open link in a new page, and here if you want to edit the style of the section, the spacing, or the horizontal alignment, the vertical alignment, and the background, or if you want to generate another image, or if you want to edit the image position or the background overlay, if you want to edit the color. And here if you want to turn this on and combine with header. So let's save this and let's move on to the next section. Next section is the testimonial section. Here if you want to edit it, you can add testimonial. Here you can generate the code, you can generate by who, and also here you can upload the file. So let's save this. If you want to edit the style of this section, the alignment for example like this. If you want to edit the spacing, the top, the bottom, and the vertical alignment, the background, if you want to edit the color of the background, for example this or this. So let's save this and let's move on. Next section is the list section of the website. You can edit it from here. You can change the heading. Also you can edit your display settings, use what will be displayed for each list item. You can edit the list items. Here you can add the list item. You can generate image. You can edit the image position. You can generate title, and also here if you want to generate content, you can also add a label, you can add external link. So let's save this. If you want to edit the style like all the previous sections, all of them has the same thing here, the background, the spacing, the alignments. So let's skip this. So let's move on to the next section, the image and text section. If you want to generate another text, and here if you want to generate another image, you can also edit the image position. You can turn this on and add a label or add a link. So also the style of the section, like all the previous sections, all of them has the same thing here, so let's skip this. Next section, this is the list section, like the same thing like this. If you want to edit it like the previous list section, so let's skip this. The next section is the contact form section. You can edit it from here. You can generate another contact form. You can manage files if you want, and here if you want to turn this on and custom input labels, you can turn this on and custom input labels. You can generate the form success message. So let's move on to the next section, the location section. You can edit from here. You can change this. Also here if you want to change your business address, you can add additional text files. You can add the title or the contents. Here if you want to edit, manage this style of the section, the type or the theme or the rounded corners or the marker color. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section, the last section on the website, the footer section. You can edit your business name. Also you can turn this on, replace company name with the logo. You can upload a file. Here if you want to add your business address or any other relevant details, you can turn this on and add a label or link. Here if you want to edit your social links, you can add a channel. So that's it. Now let's save this. If you want to generate another content or style or entire section, just select any option here you want and it will be changed. Also if you want to duplicate this section, you can duplicate it from here. If you want to delete it, just click delete and it will be removed. If you want to move it up or move it down from here. So now after you're done from editing your business website, just click save. Now all you have to do is publish your website and get a free custom domain name. Now wait a few seconds to publish your website. So now just click here and your website is gonna be published. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.